Oh, hello kids, how you doing? Welcome to my laboratory. Today we're gonna create lava lamps. The first thing we're gonna need is a water bottle, okay? It has to be half empty and half filled with water, okay? We're gonna need water. What are we gonna do after this? We're gonna use food colorant. You can find this at home at any supermarket, okay? For this lava lamp, I'm gonna use red color, and we're gonna pour a few drops of this food colorant inside the water bottles, okay? As you can see, there's no need to get all the food colorant inside the water bottle. As you can see, now the food colorant is mixing with water. Now we're gonna remove with a little stick the food colorant, and now we have our lava here for our lava lamp. What are we gonna do after this? We're gonna get our sunflower oil, which is over there. Wait a minute. And we're gonna put the funnel inside the water bottle, and we're gonna pour the sunflower oil inside the bottle until it's almost full, okay? Like this. You have to be very patient and watch out. Don't mess things up. Now, this is what it looks like. What are we gonna do after this? This is the most exciting part of all. We're gonna get some effervescent pills like this that you can buy in any chemistry, and we're gonna break them in two. We're gonna introduce them inside the water bottle and let the magic begin. What is happening now is that the effervescent pill is gonna create some bubbles, and the bubbles are gonna go from the bottom to the top like that, creating little bubbles, and the lava lamp is gonna start moving. Ooh. If you want to create more bubbles, the only thing you have to do is to put more pills inside, and you will have the best lava lamps on the planet. It's a super fun and easy experiment that you can do at home whenever you want to. You only need a few ingredients, and it's super fun to do it with the little ones. I hope you enjoy your lava lamp and have a nice experiment day.